Alright, let's enter the next mode.
Ho ho ho! Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are reviewing the DE56 remote drifter. It operates on a 2.4G system. This is an RC truck. 3.7 volt for drift RC battery. Two 1.5 volt AA batteries are needed, and a USB charging cable is included. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what you get. Alright guys, right away we see that they supply you with the USB cable and also for charging and also a screwdriver. We open this up and right away we can see, woo, check that out guys. Check this out. That is pretty cool. Wow. That's a nice looking RC car. Definitely make a great gift for Christmas, birthday, or just because you love your kids. So underneath here we see we're going to need to use their screwdriver that they provided us, which is a very nice that they provide you with a screwdriver. So go ahead, open this up underneath it. And this is where your battery is going to be. So as you can see, they supply you with one battery already inside. You also get a spare battery as well. So for the battery, you just simply plug it in, connect it to the port. Once it's plugged in, place the battery and the cable back inside. Go ahead and close it up. So guys, right away we see here is the remote controller. A, B, and C. So you have different buttons down over here that say A, B, and C. You have your on-off switch up top here. You have your trigger, which is your throttle right here. You also have to steer right here. Batteries go right in the side here. Okay guys, we now got batteries in. All you do is press and hold the power button on top of the RC car. It starts flashing and the indicator lights are now on. We're going to now turn on the controller. Woo! That thing wants to go. So this has mode A is high speed. So once you're in mode A, LED will turn solid, indicates that the drift car is in racing mode. Mode B is 360 degrees drift rotation mode. So once you're in mode B, the LED will flash slowly and the RC car enters into 360 degree rotation performance mode. Mode C is slide slip. In mode C, the LED light flashes quickly and it means the car is ready and you can do stunts like lateral shift and so much more. This RC car has the option, it is a one button start. So one button on off. Sci-fi appearance and cool LED lights make it fascinated by boys and girls of all ages, even adults.
So this is drift mode.
Specially designed wheels, the unique universal wheel that makes the car capable of performing drift actions in any situation without even much acceleration.
Oh, this is really cool, guys. Guys, that is so much fun. Now let's go under regular mode. Oh, check this out. Whoa. Look at this thing. And it's got some speed to it as well. This is like gliding mode. That's crazy. Let's go under the next mode now. Woo-hoo! And if you're wondering, yes, it does go straight and forward as well. It's just all based on how you control it. And as you see, it bounces right off stuff. I think drift mode is my favorite.